Welcome to my channel, where you will find out about electronic items, buses, trains and other vehicles such as cars, and also some plane rides as well. So, keep yourself tuned in as you are watching Lift Surfer 2019, the channel made in loving memory of the original Elvis Presley and Hot Point's first electronic washing machine, the Hot Point First Edition 1000. And here she is. Let's put those on steady on.
Floor 3.
It's almost have a safety padlock on it. This will be a review of this Indesit IWC71452 washer. This is a 7kg model. A double split energy saver rating, power on and off button, eco timer, energy saver, rinse, daylight timer. You've got your settings. You've got settings on these things. You've got white cotton, you've got mixed colours, synthetics, delicate, you've got cotton. Cotton standard, mixed light, 20% refresh, outerwear, wool 40, jeans 40 degrees as well, sport intensive, sport light, sport shoes, partial, rinse, spin and drain. And so this is your detergent drawer. Not in bad shape actually, not in sewing machine. And yes, here's the drum. I won't. There's DM label.
Right, come on, you.
So that'll be it guys, thanks for watching, bye for now.